Welcome, here I've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left to the slow motion. Here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by using this big red button, the shutter at the center. We can also move to the top at the center to change the speed and the quality of our video, so you can pick here whatever you need. And now let me stay for example here and let me start recording. To show you how it works, maybe let me give more space to my camera to get the better view. And here in the videos we have one extra cool thing. This button from the right, when we use it and slide it, we can slide the position of the back camera, and as you can see, this is how it works. Now let's stop by tapping again on the shutter button. Let's move back to this view, and to see the video now we have to tap to the left button here, so it should follow us straight to the gallery. And this is our slow motion video. Let's play it by tapping on the center. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.